Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're back in for a 50p special, and this one is Paddington Bear. So if that's something that interests you, please stay tuned and let's get into this. Right then everyone, so today I'm showing you another 50p special, and this one is Paddington Bear. As far as I know, there are quite a few Paddington Bear 50p out there. I do have a few of them, but probably not all of them. So what I do have, I will show you, of course, over the time. And yeah, hopefully, if I do get any more, I will show you them too. But yeah, apart from that, I've had this kind some time. As I say, the front of it is not very different to any of the others. What I'll do is I've just shown you the front now, and then I'll show you a couple of reverse side Paddington Bears that I got there, and in the next video I can definitely show you some more. Not much to say about this really. I think 2018 this one was minted. Yeah, so not massively too long ago. But yeah, other than that, no necklace. You can see the earrings on this one pretty well. Usually you can't, but yeah, you can pretty well with this one. But other than that, I won't show the others couple that I'll show you. I won't show the front of them because there's probably not much value to showing the fronts on all of them. So I'll turn this one over now and show you the back of the reverse side of this one, and then the reverse side of the others. Right then everyone, this is the first Paddington Bear reverse side of the coin. As you can see, Paddington Bear there in all his glory, waving around the English flag. I would go as far to say that he's probably standing outside the front of Buckingham Palace. It kind of does look like it. It's just hard to see the print. But yeah, I'll go with that. He's standing outside Buckingham Palace because he liked to tour around a lot. Paddington Bear. I don't know too much about him, but I have watched the film with my kids, and yeah, it is a good movie to watch, so fair play. But yeah, there's no writing on this reverse side of this one or nothing like that. There's no sort of any writing anywhere. It's just the whole coin is the picture, so it's not very often you do see it like that, I suppose. Well, yeah, you do. I suppose the special ones, they are all like that, I guess. So yeah, this is the first one. So let me show you the second one. Alright then, this is the second one. So I believe he's sitting at the train station, probably Piccadilly or London Bridge or something like that. One of the busiest network rail stations. St Pancras or somewhere like that. It's definitely busy up there. So it looks like he's sitting at the train station waiting for a train, possibly, because he's always travelling around, I guess. Yeah, again, the detail that's gone into this is very good, you know, with these special coins. You know, the closer you can kind of look at them, you know, even down to the train has the windscreen wiper on it. I mean, freaking hell, that's crazy for a picture that's on the back of a coin. You know, when you look at it, it's pretty integral. Yeah, other than that, this is definitely a good kind to have in your collection, is Paddington Bear ones. So, okay, well that's the second kind. I'll show you the third. Alright then, this is the third kind. It seems like he could be standing outside the Royal Albert Hall by the looks of it. Yeah, I would say so. It looks like he's visiting the Royal Albert Hall and he's standing outside with his hat and his coat and stuff. So it's probably a cold day then in winter time. Yeah, again, look so closely at the building at the Royal Albert Hall. Look how intricate the design is on that. You know, to fit that on a 50p piece is amazing, really. Right down to this, if you can just make it out right by under his elbow. I think there's two people standing there, maybe like two guards or something. In all fairness, how did they get them to press like this so sharp and clean? It's amazing, really. So yeah, and that's it really. This is I've got other Paddington Bear ones, but I'd have to go searching for them because off the top of my head I don't think I've got any more. The next round I'll do is something like Beatrix Potter, 50p pieces. I've got a few of them as well, and Harry Potter as well. I've got a few of them, and Peter Rabbit, I think a few of them as well. But yeah, for now, off the top of my head, those are the only Paddington Bear ones I can find at the moment. So yeah, I will look for more, and if I do find more, I will definitely show them. So thank you everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned because I've got a lot more 50p specials to show you, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So thanks everyone, take care, and I'll see you soon.